This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have what matters: a bank account and a phone with the same mobile number. First, install your bank's official app or a trusted UPI app, then sign in using internet banking credentials or mobile verification. Once done, accept permissions for SMS and contacts so OTPs and bank messages arrive. Make sure your KYC is complete. Banks block transfers without it. Now, move to linking the account inside the app. That link is the foundation for cardless online payment. Next, create a UPI ID tied to your bank account inside the app. It's the address you'll pay from. When prompted, set a UPI PIN. This typically uses an OTP sent to your registered number to authorize the PIN without needing an ATM card. Once you set the PIN, confirm the link by sending a 1RS or small test payment or accept a collect request. This proves the flow works, and once done, you can pay merchants or friends using that UPI ID. To complete a payment, pick Scan QR, enter a recipient UPI ID, or send to a saved beneficiary. Type the amount, hit pay, and authenticate using your UPI PIN. That replaces an ATM card. Once done, watch for SMS and app confirmation. If a transaction fails, make sure the phone number is still bank-linked, KYC is active, and your bank app is updated. Then request a fresh OTP and retry. If problems persist, contact your bank's support with transaction details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.